In this video, we're going to learn about coordinates on a plane. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the x coordinate of the pink circle? So we have a triangle, blue, and a pink circle. This is the object that we're trying to find the x coordinate for. Okay, so we have a graph here. This is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. This 0 spot here is the origin. The origin is where the x-axis and the y-axis meet. Okay? So we need to understand what an ordered pair is. An ordered pair, and it's written like this, bracket x comma y, close bracket, describes the location of a point on the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is just this whole graph, okay? And it's made up of an x-axis and a y-axis and the origin. So let's look at this ordered pair. So the ordered pair, x is the position along the x-axis or the x-coordinate. Y is the position along the y-axis or the y-coordinate. So let's look at the x-coordinate for the circle. The x-coordinate of the pink circle is 3. And we know that because if we start here in the middle of the circle and go down, we see that the x-coordinate is 3. Okay? So that's 3. Then for the y, we just draw a line from the center of the circle all the way across till we hit the y, okay, in a straight line. And we could see that it crosses at 6. So the y coordinate of the circle is 6. So the way we would write the coordinate would be like this. It would be like this. So bracket and then 3, comma, and then 6. And then don't forget to close your bracket, okay? So that's the ordered pair that describes the circle. So the x-coordinate of the pink circle is 3. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Anyone can do math. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. There's resources in the description that provide links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. And also you could always download the ebook and follow along in the ebook and take notes as you go.